I'm a scat man. I'm a scat man.
Yeah, Dublin. Woo!
Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you. Everybody's saying that the scat man stutters but does and never stutter when he sings. But what you don't know right now that the stutter and the scat is the same thing. Yo, I'm the scat man. Where's the scat man? I'm the scat man. Why should we be pleasing any politician reasons who would try to cheat diseases if they could? The state of the condition insults my intuition and it only makes me crazy and hard like wood. Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, brother, so can you. I'm the scat man.
Reprise de dribble.
Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you. I hear you all ask out the meaning of scat. Well, I'm the professor and all I can tell you is why you're still sleeping, the saints are still weeping, because things you call dead haven't yet had the chance to be born. I'm the scat man.
Oh yeah. Yes. Yes! Oh!
Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk in the
On the show!
Oh, girls, they wanna have fun.
The show!
Oh, girls just wanna have, that's all they really want. It's some fun. When the working day is done, oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Wanna have fun. Girls wanna have, they just wanna, they
Yeah.
FLEXUM, SALAH, décomplexé, totalement. Au milieu, messieurs. Mais c'est ça, c'est beau.
Il nous a fait le
C'est
face
beau
du
ce
milieu.
quart de finale. C'était le dernier battle du quart de finale.
J'avoue.
Ah,
Alors, le public, et ça fait 1, 2, 3.
oh là là.
Je vois beaucoup plus de bleu.
Ici, totalement bleu.
Ok.
Et beaucoup de bleu ici aussi.
Océan, comme ici bien.
C'est donc le point pour Salah.
Salah, 1 point.
Jury, concentré. 3, 2, 1. Et bleu aussi pour
Vainqueur,
Salah.
Salah.
Bravo à FLEXUM également. Bravo à Salah. Applaudissements, s'il vous plaît.